Welcome everyone to part 7, plotting actual versus prediction. In this video we're going to complete this exercise which asks us to write a function that plots the original and predicted series, but only plot the original data up to the last predicted date. So this function takes in two series as arguments as well as the title for the graph, and your goal is just to plot them, but make sure that the original does not go past the last predicted date. Okay, so here's two series that we're going to plot. So just our original Texas series, and then our cumulative prediction, which we calculated in the very last video over here. So we have that saved. So those are the two that we're going to plot. So let's go ahead and plot these. So S is the first one, and this one is the actual. S predict is the prediction, and we will get the axes that is returned, the matplotlib axes that is returned from the pandas call to the plot method, and we'll use this to set the title. So we'll go ahead and do this. We're given the title, so let's execute this. We have this in our namespace, and now let's run this function. Okay, so we have our labels do not show up. That's because we need to call the legend method. So now they show up. So the orange is the prediction, so that's fine, it's showing up, but the exercise asks us to stop at the very last prediction date. So over here it's in early July, so we need to find that and then filter it. So we can say last prediction date as well. The dates are in the index, so we're going to get the index, and it's the very last one. So S is our original, so what we'll do is we will filter up to this last prediction date, like that, and so we enter it in. So now they're aligned and they stop at the very end. So that's what this exercise asks us to do. Just plot both the original and the prediction, and just have it stop wherever our last known value, or last known cases date is. So that's plotting actual versus prediction.